Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We publish new videos every day. Don't forget, grab your smartphone and download the Lava Matra app and stay in touch. Guru Maharaj's message is your advantage. The following is a Sri Krishna Chaitanya book compilation by His Holiness Jayapataka Swami Maharaj on March 6th, 2021 in Sridham, Mayapur, India.
Pongalang Hayate Girim Jatkipatamhang Bande Sri Guru Dinatarinam Paramananda Madhavam Sri Chaitanya Ishwaram.
Continuation of the compilation of Sri Krishna Chaitanya book. Chapter entitled The Result of Hearing about the Lord's Return to Jagannath Puri to reunite with the devotees. Under the section The Lord's Return to Jagannath Puri.
Chaitanya Chart Mahakalya, chapter 13.
Verses 88 to 148. Who can describe how the Lord, the ocean of mercy, gave great mercy to each person? Brihaspati cannot describe it. What to speak of others? One great, pure soul named Shiki Mahiti lived in Puri. Receiving mercy, he served Jagannath. His younger brother was named Murari, and the youngest, a sister, was named Madhavi Devi. She had pure intelligence. They were known as three brothers. Murari and Madhavi Devi were attached to Gaurachandra. With fixed, pure intelligence, they never forgot him for a moment. The Lord, the great ocean of mercy, manifested on earth to distribute prema. Beautiful and attractive, he was the moon who rose in the ocean of Sachi's womb. Krishna, the moon of Vrindavan, had now risen on earth as the golden moon. The two thought in this way, with continual attraction for the Lord. The two made many attempts to worship Gaurachandra through their older brother, but he was not interested. One day, Shiki Mahiti fell asleep while thinking of topics spoken by his younger brother. In the last portion of the night, he became disturbed with a dream. His brother and sister, devoted to Gaurachandra's lotus feet, woke him up at that time. They noticed he was alarmed in his dream, with hairs standing on end because of the vision. His joy doubled. He slowly opened his eyes, which were filled with tears, and saw his brother and sister. Seeing the two who had come to wake him up, he embraced them firmly with joy. The two were astonished. He said, "O brothers, hear what I saw in my dream. It is most astonishing. The power of the son of Sachi is immeasurable. Today I have that faith." Looking at Jagannatha, Gauranga entered into him and again coming out gazed at the deity. He pervaded everywhere. This is astonishing, most astonishing. Even now, I see the Lord in that condition. Have my two eyes become bewildered by seeing that great beauty? Gauranga, the unlimited ocean of mercy, called me as I stood near the deity and embraced me with his two beautiful, broad, long arms which extended to his knees. With hairs standing on end, with voice choked in prema, with great longing, while tears flowed from his eyes, he could not help but speak these words. Hearing this with happiness, they told him to go to Mahaprabhu, who was going to see Jagannath. The three who desired the lotus feet of Gaurachandra then went quickly to see Jagannath. With pleased mind, first the two saw Gauranga near the Jagan Mohan hall. In joy, their eyes were filled with tears. Then Shiki Mahiti saw Gauranga as he had seen him in his dream. Seeing him in that condition, his heart became joyful with prema. The merciful Lord said, "You are the older brother of Murari." He embraced him with his arms. Shiki Mahiti's mind became filled with Gauranga. He became the personification of all happiness. From that time, by a particle of fragrance from the Lord's lotus feet, he forgot everything else. The most fortunate devotee served Gauranga all day long as his worshipable deity. In this way also, the merciful Lord, his heart filled with affection, attracted the devotees of Navadvip to Puri. There was one great devotee named Madhava Puri, the embodiment of the rasa of Vishnu Bhakti, who appeared on earth before Mahaprabhu. Ishwar Puri, who became his disciple, had spotless glory. He was as brilliant as a million suns, was pure, truthful, of pleasing heart, and was deeper than the ocean. The avatar of Shesha, personification of Bhakti Ras, he appeared on earth before Mahaprabhu and spread the rules of sannyas life. The devotee, very dear to the world, named Paramananda Puri, travelled with the Lord in the south. He was very calm, fixed, and the personification of tolerance. Wandering about, he came to the bank of the Ganga. He arrived with desire at Navadvip, ornamented with the Lord's pastimes. Happily he rested at the house of Mahaprabhu. Sachi was the mother of the three worlds, tolerant of millions of earths, purer than many Gangas, full of affection and most respectable. She was full of devotion, beautiful, loved by all, and sweet. Seeing Paramananda Puri, she respected him as her son by giving him food. On another day, this great soul, staying in Mahaprabhu's house, went to Acharya Ratna's house for food, spreading happiness. Another devotee was a river of prema at the feet of Gauranga would continually bath in that prema. Internally and externally, he became filled with Gauranga's prema. This great devotee was named Kamalananda. He was dear to the Lord. Kamalananda went joyfully to see Sachi. Seeing Sachi, he then saw Paramananda Puri. By that, he became very happy. Staying in Navadvip for some days, they all left. Gadadhar and Jagadananda also left. Eager for the good fortune of seeing Mahaprabhu, Paramananda Puri, Gadadhar and Jagadananda arrived at Puri and saw the Lord. Paramananda saw the lotus feet of Mahaprabhu. But Mahaprabhu, the Lord, offered him respects with reverence as an elder. Acharya Vidyanidhi, an ocean of infinite qualities, filled with prema and joy, and Acharya Ratna, a great worshipable devotee, also went. The famous Shivananda, going with Murari Gupta, saw the Lord from the first as the personification of all auspiciousness. His mind soft with mercy to the fallen, the Lord touched his head with his toe many times and said, I know you. The devotee named Raghava, having accumulated piles of good fortune, having great prema for the Lord, saw the Lord, and at that moment the Lord, tender with mercy, immediately gave him mercy. The devotee known as Govinda, endowed with a pure mind, an ocean of good fortune, eternally huge from wandering in many holy places, went to Puri. There he saw the merciful Gauranga, the ocean of mercy, and became attached to serving his lotus feet constantly. From that time onwards, the very fortunate Govinda remained near the Lord's lotus feet, and having given up all other activities, served him day and night. The devotee named Bhavananda, of pure intelligence, full of good qualities, of good character, ornamented with great happiness, saw the Lord. The Lord firmly embraced pure minded Bhavananda with his two arms. He told him in a sweet voice, You are very fortunate. You are the same as Pandu. His 5 sons, headed by Ramananda, staying by Mahaprabhu's side, became very dear to the Lord.
This explanation shows
This explanation shows
how the Lord was giving His mercy
how the Lord was giving His mercy
to the different devotees
to the different
who
devotees
visited Jagannath-puri.
who visited Jagannath Puri.
This shows the way that the Lord's
This-
mercy was flowing.
This shows the way the Lord's mercy was flows. Vanina performing service to Him. Vaninath, a soft devotee, very dear to the Lord, peaceful and a friend to all people, attached to Mahaprabhu's lotus feet, served him exclusively. Purushottamacharya, a very intelligent devotee with an attractive nature, hearing of Mahaprabhu's activities with effort, eagerly came to see him. Arriving at Puri in great bewilderment, he saw the lotus feet of the ocean of mercy. And from the joy of merely seeing the Lord, became completely changed. He forgot about his body. Only rasa and happiness could be seen in him. From seeing the Lord of his life, his body became stunned at all times. His eyes poured torrents of tears. His body was decorated with goosebumps. His thighs shook intensely and became crooked. Seeing the Lord, he was overcome with emotion. He developed emotions like the Lord. The Lord, an ocean of affection, became most tender because of his affectionate nature. The tender Lord displayed great sweetness. The ocean of rasa distributed prema constantly to Purushottam Acharya. The greatly fortunate Purushottam Acharya, the abode of truth, took sannyas and became the very form of rasa. He was called Swarup Damodara. Staying near the Lord's lotus feet constantly, he drank the nectar with thirst. He could not tolerate not seeing the Lord for a moment.
How Purushottam Acharya became Subramana.
So, how Purushottam Acharya became a true Brahmana,
How Subramana was constantly connected with the Lord.
and
Gauranga.
how Swarup Damodar was constantly connected with the Lord Gauranga,
How
and how
filled with ecstasy of love
and how
Lord
they,
Chaitanya.
they were filled with ecstasy of love for Lord Chaitanya
Described in these verses.
is described in these verses. Vakreshwar Pandit was a very sweet devotee. He was an ocean of sweet rasa and condensed bliss at all times. Arriving at Puri and seeing the Lord, he began dancing. He thus became the object of Mahaprabhu's prema. Gauranga favored him at all times. Vasudeva Datta, the jewel in his dynasty, seeing Gaurachandra, immediately took him as his very life and became submerged in an ocean of unlimited affection for him.
So, how Vasudeva Datta
So, how Vasudeva Datta
accepted Lord Chaitanya
accepted Lord Chaitanya
as his very life and soul
as his very life and soul
is explained here.
is explained here.
this
This,
all the devotees
how all the devotees
would transform
would transform
by seeing
by seeing
Lord Chaitanya
Lord Chaitanya
serving his lotus feet.
and serving his lotus feet. Bhagavan Acharya was a great devotee. Surrendering to Gaurachandra, he served Lord Jagannath constantly. While the Lord lived in Puri, the sound of people arriving spread in all directions. Intelligent Satya Raja, his brothers and sons, as well as Raghunandana, Narahari, Mukunda, and others had assembled there with longing. Chaitanya Bhagavat Antyakhanda 3.182
ভক্তবৃন্দের প্রভুর পাদপদ্মে সমাগম। এই মতে নীলাচলে যে যে ভক্তগণ অল্পে অল্পে আসি হইলা সবার মিলন।
In this way,
different devotees
arrived in Nilachal.
Nilachal.
Little by little,
Little by little,
they came
and they
met
met
with all the other devotees.
Chaitanya Bhagavata Antyakhanda 3.183
যে যে পার্ষদের জন্ম উৎকলে হইলা তাহারাও অল্প অল্পে অল্প আসিয়া মিলিলা।
Those associates of Lord Chaitanya
Those associates of Lord Chaitanya
who took their birth in Orissa, they also little by little came and gradually joined Lord Chaitanya.
Came and gradually joined Lord Chaitanya. Chaitanya Bhagavat Antyakhanda 3.184
মিলিলা পদ্মন্ন মিশ্র প্রেমের শরীর পরমানন্দ রামানন্দ দুই মহাধীর।
Pradyumna Mishra,
body was filled with love of Krishna.
whose body was filled with love of Krishna.
Paramananda
Paramananda and Ramananda
were two most
sober personalities
who all joined Lord Chaitanya.
Chaitanya Bhagavata Antyakhanda 3.185
দামোদর পণ্ডিত শ্রী শঙ্কর পণ্ডিত কত দিনে আসিয়া হইলা উপনীত।
Damodar Pandit
and Sri Shankar Pandit
and Sri Shankar Pandit
also came in a number of days
and were present there. Chaitanya Bhagavat Antyakhanda 3.186
পদ্মন্ন ব্রহ্মচারী নিসিংহের দাস যাহার শরীরে নিসিংহের পরকাশ।
And Sri Pradyumna Brahmachari was a servitor of Lord Narsimhadev. Lord Narsimhadev was manifest in his body. Chaitanya Bhagavata Antyakhanda 3.187
কীর্তনে বিহারে নরসিংহ ন্যাসিরূপে জানি আর হিলা আসি প্রভুর সমীপে।
When he understood
that Lord
Narsimha
was enjoying
was enjoying
kirtan pastimes
Kirtan pastimes
in the form of a sannyasi.
in the form of a sannyasi.
Understanding this,
He
came and joined Lord Chaitanya.
came and joined Lord Chaitanya. Chaitanya Bhagavata Antyakanda 3.188.
ভগবান আচার্য আইলা মহাশয় শ্রবণেও যা রহে নাহি পরশে বিষয়।
The great personality, Bhagavan Acharya,
The great personality Bhagavan Acharya
also
arrived there. Even
by
by hearing
topics,
the topics
material sense gratification
of material sense gratification
did not enter.
Purport. Sri Bhagavan Acharya would have never heard any topics concerning sense gratification. He would hear only topics related to Lord Krishna's names, forms and qualities. Chaitanya Bhagavata Antyakanda 3.189.
এই মতো যতেক সেবক যথা ছিল সবে প্রভুর পার্শ্বে আসিয়া মিলিলা।
This way,
In this way,
many
many
servants
servants
of the Lord
of the Lord
came from various places.
came from various places,
And
and they
stayed by the side of Lord Chaitanya,
stayed by the side of Lord Chaitanya,
coming there and
meeting. Chaitanya Bhagavata Antyakanda 3.190.
প্রভুর সঙ্গে ভক্তবৃন্দের কীর্তন বিলাস প্রভু দেখি সবার হইল দুঃখ নাশ সবে করে প্রভুর সঙ্গে কীর্তন বিলাস।
seeing Lord Chaitanya,
Seeing Lord Chaitanya,
everyone's
everyone
sadness was destroyed.
sadness was destroyed.
Everybody
Everybody
participated
participated
in Lord Chaitanya's
in Lord Chaitanya's
kirtan
kirtan
pastimes.
pastimes. Chaitanya Bhagavata Antyakanda 3.191.
সন্ন্যাসীর রূপে বৈকুণ্ঠের অধিপতি কীর্তন করেন সর্ব ভক্তের সংহতি।
Lord of Vaikuntha,
The Lord of Vaikuntha,
in the form of a sannyasi,
in the form of a sannyasi,
thus
thus
performed
performed kirtan
in
in
the association of his devotees.
the association of his devotees,
Of all
of all
the devotees.
of all the devotees. Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 10.184.
প্রভুর ঐকান্তিক ভক্ত এক রামভদ্র দুই ভগবান। রামভদ্রাচার্য আর ভগবানাচার্য প্রভু পদে রহিলা দুহে ছাড়ি সর্ব কার্য।
Later, Rambhadra Acharya and Bhagavan Acharya joined them and, giving up all other responsibilities, remained under Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's shelter. Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 10.185.
কাশীশ্বরের আগমন। কাশীশ্বর গোসাঞ্জি আইলা আর দিনে সম্মান করিয়া প্রভু রাখিলা নিজ স্থানে।
The next day, Kashishwar Gosai also came and remained with Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who received him with great respect. Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhya Leela 10.186.
বলবান কাশীশ্বরের প্রভু সেবায় বলে সৎ ব্যবহার। প্রভু কয়ে লইয়া করান ঈশ্বর দর্শন, লোক ভিড় আগে সব করি নিবারণ।
Kashishwar used to usher Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu into Jagannath temple. He would precede the Lord into the crowd and keep the people from touching him. Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhya Leela 10.187.
প্রভু সহ সমগ্র ভক্তের মিলনের উপমা। যত নদ নদী জইছে সমুদ্রে মিলয়, ওইছে মহাপ্রভুর ভক্ত যাহা তাহা হয়।
As all the rivers flow into the sea, all the devotees throughout the country finally came to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's shelter. Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhya Leela 10.188.
সবে আসি মিলিলা প্রভুর শ্রীচরণে, প্রভু কৃপা করি সবাই রাখিল নিজ স্থানে।
Since all the devotees came to him for shelter, Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu showed them all mercy and kept them under his protection. Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhya Leela 10.189.
প্রভু ভক্ত মিলন সংবাদ বর্ণন সমাপন। এই তো কহিল প্রভুর বৈষ্ণব মিলন, ইহা যেই শুনে পায় চৈতন্য চরণ।
Thus, I have described the meeting of all the Vaishnavas with Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Whoever hears this description ultimately attains shelter at his lotus feet.
Lord Chaitanya
Lord Chaitanya
went to Jagannath Puri.
went to Jagannath Puri,
People from Bengal,
and people from Bengal,
from Orissa,
all kinds of devotees
all kinds of devotees
came and took shelter under
the lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya.
came and took shelter under the lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya.
Just hearing about
His Thirobhav,
this great assembly of Vaishnavas,
in this great assembly of Vaishnavas,
how they would all serve the Lord and engage in the Sankirtan
how they would
pastimes of the Lord.
how they would all serve the Lord and engage in the Sankirtan pastimes of the Lord.
Simply by hearing,
Simply by hearing,
one will get the lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya.
one will get the lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya.
Haribo.
Hari Bol. Thus ends the chapter entitled The Result of Hearing about the Lord's Return to Jagannath Puri to Reunite with the Devotees. Under the section The Lord's Return to Jagannath Puri.
Do you like our ad-free videos? Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We publish new videos every day, and don't forget to like and share our channel.